Hi everyone. In this example, I want to show you how you can automate your work when you want to get all the file names from a folder in a single column in Excel. This is a very common task because there are many instances where we have been given a folder with many files in it. And maybe we want to reconcile the file names. Maybe we just want to check how many files exist. Maybe we want to check if a certain file is missing or not. To do that with 15, 20 files is possible, but when you're doing it with 100 files, it is possible, but not very practical to have to go and copy the names one by one. Let's see how we do this. So I have a folder here on my desktop, and the folder is called My Folder. And you can see that there are these 38 different files in it. Most of these are JPEGs, but there is a PDF here as well. And it doesn't really matter what type of file is it. In Excel, you can see that in the cell B2, I have put the path of that folder. So that would be the C directory, users, Havish, desktop, my folder. And let's look at the code as well. So on developer, let's go to Visual Basic. And you can see here that this is the code that has already been given to you. All we have to do is to click on this button here. And you can see that a list of all the 38 files comes in 1 second. Let's also quickly see how the code is working. So we are trying to loop through all the files. We have FSO folder file. So the three objects that I'm declaring. The first one is to create the object, that is my scripting file system object, which basically is the folder selector that opens up. That means that right now when you click on the macro, you can't see anything. But if I go back to the code, the file system object is enabling me to select a folder from my Windows directory. The file name is written in the cell B2. That is something you can change. And then we are simply setting the folder to the folder name that we have selected. In fact, let's call this the folder name. That would be more appropriate. And then we run a simple loop, which says that for each of the files in that folder, I'm putting the values in A1. So this would mean it's the first row and the first column. And because the second file name will come in the second row, it is incrementing by 1. You don't really need to learn the code, but it's a good idea to at least understand at a high level how it is working in case you want to make some changes to it in the future. So there you go. This is how you can automate the really boring task of getting a list of all the file names from a folder.